Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your cabin air filter on a Mazda 3 2016. On this Mazda 3, your cabin air filter is located behind your glove box. So you're going to take your glove box down, go ahead and take everything out of it because you do have to drop the whole thing down unless you really want to dump it all on the floor. With everything out of your glove box, then what you can do is you have two side tabs, or the sides of the glove box at the top. You just kind of pull them toward and close. And then you can get the air, you can get it right there, but if you want a little bit more, over here on this side is a little bar that holds it up, and so what you want to do is just kind of pop it and you just pop it off, and this is what it was. It just holds it from going down. And then right here is your cabin air filter, and you just have to pull this tab up and pull it out. It's even got the arrow which way the airflow is, and when you need to replace your cabin air filter, it will be this whole unit is all one piece, and it has here pointing with your airflow. And so then you would take the new one, this one's clean, but you would take your new one and just slide it back in until it locks in. Then you would just bring your glove box back up. Connect that little tab up so it doesn't fall down, and then you just bring it back up, and it's made its lock position. Put all your stuff you'd like to have in your glove box back in, and that is how you replace your cabin air filter in your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.